Good afternoon to all the participants present today for this webinar on aluminum tube for PP multifilament spin draw wind lines, organized by Siddhi Group, Ahmedabad, India. I am Ayush Chopra, the organizer cum host for today's webinar, supported by Hardik Patel as co-host. Before we proceed for the webinar session, allow me to brief you on points about this Zoho webinar platform. The webinar presentation is for 15 to 20 minutes, later 10 to 15 minutes for question and answer session. For the better flow of webinar, all participants are requested to remain on mute for the entire session. On the completion of presentation, we will run two polls asking for your ratings from 1 to 5 stars, wherein 1 star will be the least and 5 star will be the highest rating. Later, the session will be open for question and answers, wherein participants having any questions, one has to type the same in Q&A tab. Questions in the Q&A tab can also be shared even during webinar, but the answers will be given during questions and answer session only. Any participant who wants to speak after the webinar, please click on the raise hand button and we will allow to unmute and speak. Introducing to all the three partners of the organization, Mr. Prashant Gandhi, founder and managing partner, Mr. Bhagwat Patel, founder and technical partner, and last but not the least, Mr. Shailesh Patel, the managing partner. For today's webinar, Mr. Bhavik Thakur is the speaker and the presenter who is working as an assistant manager export for Siddhi Group. With this, I invite Mr. Thakur to open our webinar. Over to you, Mr. Thakur, and allow me to share the presentation screen.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ayush, for your kind introduction. By the time you start your screen, let all get introduced about me. I am Bhavik Thakur, working with Siddhi Group for past 2.5 years as an assistant manager export, especially for woven sec and allied industries product. Now, I welcome to all our customer and business associates on behalf of entire Siddhi Group for today's webinar on aluminum tube for PP multifilament spin draw wind lines, organized by Siddhi Group, Ahmedabad, India. Giving short introduction about Siddhi Group. Siddhi Group has more than 3 decades of rich experience in manufacturing of aluminum precision drawn tubes and metal cups. The journey started in 1988 by two mechanical engineers, Mr. Prashant Gandhi and Mr. Bhagwat Patel. Siddhi Group has two holding companies, Siddhi Engineers and Samruddhi Engineering. Siddhi Engineers is engaged in manufacturing and export of aluminum precision drawn tubes from 20 different alloys used in various segments of industries. Samruddhi Engineering is born in 1992 and established in manufacturing and export business of metal cups, also known as bobbins, pons, for use of synthetic yarn winding. Manufacturing plant for both companies are located at Ahmedabad city of Gujarat state in India. Siddhi Group works with collaborative approach and has many collaborations for research work and academia. Siddhi Group has also signed an MOU with India's renowned space organization ISRO for technology transfer. In India, Siddhi Group offers the largest portfolio of product range of woven sack industries. And lastly but not the least, Siddhi Group is one of the company who has a dedicated team of innovation with continuously working for process and product improvement. We are proud to say that Siddhi Group is exporting to 30 plus countries with their products manufactured from aluminium and steel tubes to various industries like multifilament yarn, woven silk, FIBC, geotextiles, carpets, aerospace defense, automobile, telecommunication, and automation industries. Talking about the credentials of Siddhi Group, it has system certifications of ISO 9001, which is awarded for quality management system, ISO 14001, which is for environment management system. And as I said earlier, that Siddhi Group is also producing products which are used in aerospace and defense industry, where we have a certification of EN 9001D for our aerospace products. Apart from this, Siddhi Group has been awarded with 45 plus awards and still counting. And which of you are mentioned here? Can you please go back to the previous slide, Mr. Ayush? Few awards are like Export Excellence, R&D in MSME, Entrepreneurships. We have also been awarded for Make in India and many other awards. Now coming to slides, we will be displaying the products that we offer for woven silk and allied industries, in which the current slide displays the steel and aluminium cheese tubes, which are widely used for PP, HDP, flat tape winding, and FIBC industries. These are jumbo tubes, which are also used in the same industries like FIBC, even for carpet baking thread and geotextile industries. So till here, I have tried to brief you all about Siddhi Group's background and the industries that it serves. Now let us come to our main topic of today's webinar. And the question comes, how did we get this an idea of replacing a paper tube with an aluminium tube? The reason behind is to understand the pain point of users using paper tube for winding multi-filament yarn. Having studied to that, we found that using paper tube has mainly three problems in industries. The first is the end of the tube, a paper tube, gets damaged while having an impact during the fitment on spindle. You can see this picture where there are some damaged parts displayed. The second image shows the effect and the damage that happens on a paper tube because of atmospheric effect. Now, atmosphere plays a very important role with paper. You see, there are several months going on in monsoon season, like 2 to 3 months. There are heavy rainfalls in India, especially in Gujarat, the place where we come from. And the current month is also, like we can say, it's a rainy season. So when there is too much of humidity, this paper tube gets loosened. It loses its hardness and it becomes very soft, and it gets damaged because of that atmospheric effect. And the third issue that we have identified, that it gets easily damaged during mishandling or even in transportation. So considering this, we are introducing aluminium drawn tubes for multi-filament yarn winding. Now these tubes can be replaced for in-house yarn processing. Our offered tube has a size of 116 mm of OD by 110 mm of ID in a length of 280 mm. This is a standard size which we have seen so far that are used in industry. Now this concept has been introduced a very first time in the world to replace a paper tube with an aluminum tube. But definitely, one will have a question or one will ask that why only aluminum tube and not any other tube? And the question is also very correct. So moving ahead, we share with you the value proposition of aluminum drawn tubes. So sorry for the disturbance. I am not able to see the slide. Mr. Ayush, I hope you are on slide number 10.
Yeah, I'm on slide number 10, Mr. Bhavesh. Number 10. I'll share again. 1 minute. Mr. Bhavik, can you see?
Yes, it is loading. Okay. All right. So now, having said about value proposition, our tube are offered with best winding quality of multi-filament yarn. It also offers increased life by number of cycles. It has 80% cost reduced per kg of production in regards to yarn carrying. Aluminum tube gets lesser damage due to handling and no deformation due to atmospheric effect. Having paper tube, there is lot of space utilization to keep its stock. So changing over to aluminum tube will reduce and help the space utilization of paper tube stock, and there is less stock to be maintained of aluminum tube compared to paper tube. The scrap value of this tube will return back of 50% of its purchase cost, and having aluminum tube will not have repeated buying of tubes, because in paper tube the life cycle is hardly 4 or 5 times used, so there is a lot of repeated buying to be done. But in aluminum tube, you buy one time and the same tube will be used for a longer life cycles. So moving ahead, we also share with you the additional features of our aluminum drawn tubes, which creates functional advantages. These tubes are offered with internal knurling, which gives a better fitment on spindle. It is offered with longitudinal groove, which helps in it helps in better way of cutting the left out yarn on the bobbin on the tube. We also provide micro grooving on OD circumferences, which helps to prevent yarn slippage from tube. These tubes are also offered with anodizing and powder coating in a color as per the customer's requirement. And last but not the least, we also supply with a rough OD surface, having again an advantage of avoiding slippage of yarn on the tube. So till now we have talked that what are the advantages and benefits of replacing paper tube with an aluminum tube. So these slides help us understand about the cost benefit calculation. We are happy to share. We are happy. Sorry. So we are happy to share that aluminum tube will give its investment payback in just 3 to 6 months, and it will also save approximately 80% of per cycle cost or per kg of yarn binding. Moving ahead, I believe now the concept of introducing these aluminum drawn tubes with replacement to paper tubes are clear with everyone. We have another two products to showcase which caters into the same industries and which are used for flat tape windings with steel tubes, steel cheese tubes, and aluminum cheese tube. Now this slide shows a patented product of Siddhi Group where we have developed a super high strength area on both the ends of the steel tube, and in the center portion we provide a strength area which is required for ductility. This tube helps in resistance to impact and resistance to compression. This is a patented product of Siddhi Group. Moving ahead, we are also offering an aluminum cheese tube for again first time in the world, and it is also the lightest tube offered in Bhuvan Industries with just 100 grams. We also try to say with this animation that these tubes are like feather like tubes, and the size of this tube is OD of 38 mm by ID of 35 mm by length of 218 mm. As briefed in my opening speech, Siddhi Group has its own dedicated team of innovation, and having that, Siddhi Group has so far applied 6 patents, out of which one patent has been received in 2017. You can see a small image, a snap image in center where that patent certificate is displayed. This patent we have received for the process of induction hardening treatment done on the steel cheese tube on both the edges for high impact resistance. Apart from this, there are another 5 patents applications in process, of which 4 of them are applied in India and 1 is in Israel. Our spending is of around 5% of revenue on R&D. Now, this slide shows that Siddhi Group has a YouTube channel where we have number of videos uploaded of various products and application. After the completion of this webinar, we are also going to provide you this presentation. So when you click on this link of YouTube videos, you will get more information for those products. As we always say and keep saying, that doors are always open for personal and virtual visits considering current situation of COVID. And here is the information displayed to get in touch with Siddhi Group. Thank you. Thank you very much. And back to you, Mr. Ayush.
Thank you, Bhavik, for this wonderful presentation. Now, allow me to run 2 polls as discussed in the opening session.
Mr. Ayush, please share when you run the first poll.
I've already shared the first poll, and I'll share the second poll in 1 minute.
So all the attendees are requested to please give your feedback by rating this webinar.
running the second poll now.
Yes, thank you. It is a humble request to all the attendees. Please rate this both the polls, because this encourages us to come up with such new webinars of all our different products, and your comments and your ratings are always encouraging to us.
Thank you very much. Now the forum is open for question and answers. So
You can see there are 3 raised hands done.
yeah, so I'm just allowing the Austin to talk. You can ask your question. Austin?
Mr. Austin, we have allowed you to unmute. Please unmute your mic and have your question.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Go ahead, please.
Yes, I think I appreciate your presentation so much. Because
Thank
it
you.
really educates us about what we are working for. That there is a prospect, and you people have gone a long way from the beginning of the establishment of the Sagi Group in India. And I want to find every way in my house to put in more than struggle that I have before, so that I can market this product very well here in Nigeria, and the region they give to me to market this product, which is Nigeria and Ghana. So, which I think with all this information gathered so far, I want to put all my displays on every platform, and also make a visitation to the companies that I need to work with, so that they can come and buy this product. But my question is this.
Yes.
My question is this. Can I have a contract document, or that when I have a client that I've discussed with, the contract that I can give to them, that they will put all their specification and everything, that I can forward to you people. I think they're supposed to make that available for me. So that once I talk with the client and the client have an interest, he will fill that form to start the communication with you people immediately. They will conclude the contract there. So I don't know. What do you think about that?
Mr. Austin, when you have registered for this webinar, we have received your contact information. Let me inform you that after this webinar, each and every attendees are going to receive this presentation, as well as you will be directed on completion of the webinar. You will be directed to our company's website, where you will also find the contact information. And apart from that, personally, I will be contacting each and every attendees of this webinar on email, as well as their registered mobile number. So please be rest assured, we will contact you, and I will provide you all the required information by you. And we are glad to have you on board working for us in Nigeria and Ghana. Thank you, Mr. Austin. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Mr. Nikhil Parekh, you can ask your question. Mr. Nikhil Parekh.
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Nikhil.
Nikhil.
Yeah, you can hear me, Mr. Bhavik.
Yes, certainly, sir. Very
yeah,
clear.
It was a really nice webinar, and we got to learn about this. I had earlier interacted with Mr. Parth of your company. We are into PP multifilament yarn manufacturing. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And the main issue is that we use paper tubes with a center notch. so that
Yes, sir.
while running on the winders, the yarn is fixed in the notch. So, do you offer these tubes with a center notch?
Sir, we have come up with this features very recently, that in paper tube the customers require this center notch. We are working on it, and our R&D team is developing such notch. But in coming few months' time, hopefully we will be also providing that feature additional to what we have displayed today in our webinar. But at the moment, that work is going on, and our innovation team is working on it. It is still in a designing stage. So once it is through, definitely we will be offering that features as well. Thank you.
And one more question is, have you supplied these tubes? I mean, any of the companies in PP Multifilament is using your tubes?
Yes, sir. We have 3 customers locally in India, and we have also exported to 2 customers in Kenya, in Africa, Kenya.
If you don't mind, can you inform the names of the companies who are using this?
Separately, we will talk on that. Let us
Okay,
not.
you can just have a
yeah.
sure. That would be
Yeah.
fine.
Yes,
Because we did want this type of tubes. We are looking for that because it will reduce our paper tube cost.
Definitely, sir. It has a huge cost impact, considering the advantages of using an aluminum tube. And we have your details. Our team, along with me and my other engineers, definitely will get back to you, sir.
Sure. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Mr. Serika, you can ask your question.
Ayush, there are also few questions asked in Q&A tab. So
yeah, once we
can
finish
also
this, I'll go
address them.
to yeah. But
Yes.
once we finish this, we'll go to Q&A tab also.
Yes, I understand.
Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
hello.
sir.
Okay. Please, there is a question I want to put before the house.
I believe you are Mr. Sekira, correct?
Good. The question is this.
Yes.
Can we get a file, a video presentation of all what is supposed to give to a customer from you people through a file, raw file, or a presentation that we give to them? The only thing is this, is for them, is either they add our phone number for them to contact us. They will present it before the client. I think in that way the thing will move faster, because when they see the display of all what people are be doing and all that, and the agent there can now forward to individual customers to review. From there, if it's possible, they can put our number and your number there. Whatever anybody they call is not the problem. So far, we promote our country and where our region they give to us. So I think the file will really help us. The raw file of presentation with all the tubes, what they do for, what they go for, just like what you were displaying when you were giving this presentation. This will really give a long way for WhatsApp communication and all that for the client. So that is my question.
Sir, I understand that. Yes, I understand. What I have understood. Let me try. You want these and such other presentations of all the products that we manufacture to share
Yes.
with the customers of the countries where you are marketing for us, like Nigeria and Ghana.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
we do not have any issue sharing all the presentations. But the thing is, sir, sometimes it is more important to understand the need of customer, whether what products they are looking for. So definitely, first thing, yes, to your question, we can share. But again, it comes to first understand the requirement of customer, what product they are looking for, and when we talk about that particular product only will be more viable. But still, for you, we will share all the presentation and all the product information, so that whenever customer comes to you first, you are able to share that particular presentation to them. Okay, thank you.
Right.
Bhai,
Ayush.
the question is from Mr. Ravi Prakash. The question is, sir, can we know what is the tensile strength of the offered product as compared to paper product?
Sir, answering to the tensile strength of what paper tube has, I'm sorry, I do not have that data. But yes, aluminum tubes that we offer has a tensile strength of 300 plus megapascal.
The next question is from Amitabh Pandey. Can you put some focus on the transportation point once the same gets unwinded by end customer and then getting back for rewinding, because the same may not get damaged if proper care is not taken?
We are introducing this tube only for those customers who have a requirement of using this tube in-house for their in-house use. So there is no question of having this tube sent to some other customers on aluminum tube, winded product on aluminum tube, and getting back to their plant. In that case, paper tubes are more viable. But there are many companies who have their own in-house use, where after producing the multi-filament yarn, it will go to their draw and twister machines. So for that in-house rotation, there will be no problem of transportation, or because it is within the factory. So let me put it that clear in that way. Thank you.
Bhai, I think Mr. Serika has one more question. Mr. Serika, you can
Yes.
ask your question. Mr. Sekera?
Please unmute your mic, Mr. Sekera. I think he is not able to. Okay, there are
So,
few other questions I can see. Inside surface roughness. I'm not able to understand the question.
no, you have already answered, Bhai. The same you have answered. I had already asked. That question was asked by Mr. Amitabh Pandey ji.
Bhai, can I come in? Bhagwat here.
Yes, sir, certainly.
This question was from Hardeep, and it is related to SS tubes. So he was looking for some SS tubes. So I requested him to come back with the requirement, because we are focusing aluminum cheese tube as well as mild steel cheese tubes, but not SS tubes. So maybe Hardik can connect with our marketing team and put forward his requirement. Yes, Suresh bhai.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Suresh bhai, you are muted.
Bhai, there's one more question from Vikash. How much life we can take, and what about the surface finishing? Because if any roughness, it will damage yarn also.
Yes, Mr. Vikas, thank you for your question. You have two separate questions asked. Let me revert you one by one. Firstly, if we talk about the life, I have clearly mentioned that aluminum tubes are used for 100 plus life cycles. When I say life cycle, means once it is winded completely and a doff is ready, it goes back to the twisting machine, draw twisting machine, and then it gets unwinded completely and comes back to the low fill machine. So that is like one complete cycle. And an aluminum tube will work for 100 plus cycles. So far, the repeat orders that we have received from customers are still not based on the replacement of aluminum tubes, but they want to increase their capacities and for their more stock keeping. So far, whatever tubes we have sold are still running in the industries. Now, your second question is about the roughness. When we say about roughness, we do not say that it will be that rough, which will damage a yarn. But okay, because we have a OD polishing process before supplying to customer. So instead of using a very fine grain polishing tool, we use a little bit of coarse grain polishing wheel. So with that aluminum tube will have a little bit of roughness. You will feel a little bit of more roughness compared to a polished tube, and that will help in having, avoiding any yarn slippage, because these machines, they run on a very high speed. So when the bobbin is rotating, there are few chances of getting this yarn slippage. So just to avoid that, we do this type of OD roughening process. I hope my answer is clear to you. Thank you.
Mr. 1 minute, we have Mr. Sekera. You can ask your question. Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you
Bhai,
unmuted Sekera?
Yeah, I've already
Have you
unmuted. Yes, sir, I've already unmuted.
By the time Mr. Sekera speak, I will just take up few more questions. One question from Mr. Mohammad Kamran, who is asking that where are the trials done? So I have answered him privately that at one of our customers' place we have done these trials. I hope that answered the question with Mr. Kamran. One more question from Nikhil Parikh. I think you have answered Nikhil Parikh question. One more question from Mr. Mohammad Kamran is, can we have reference, whereas can the tube customize as per our requirement? What is the MOQ? Mr. Kamran, yes, definitely we can supply you the customized tubes as per your requirement. Only thing is that please share your detail. I have privately answered your question and I have shared mail ID of our marketing team. So you can forward your requirement to the marketing team and we will come back to you with your requirement. Along with that, we will also come back regarding the minimum order quantity also. Thank you, Mohammad Kamran, for giving us an opportunity to reply your questions.
Bhai,
I can also, yes.
there is one person, Hemant Dave, he wants to ask some question. I'll just allow him to talk.
Yes.
Mr.
I
Hemant
have
Dave, you
seen
can
his-
ask your question. Mr. Hemant Dave?
Okay, I can read his question. He is saying
Okay.
that we sell PP multifilament.
Can you hear me?
Running. Yes, Mr. Hemant, go ahead. Yes, sir. Yes.
So we have customers all over India, and you are also attending this seminar. Those who are running my plant,
Right, sir.
and we are having problems with they want to cut down the cost of paper tubes with these metal tubes. But the thing is that on winder, the metal tubes are in contact with the bale roller, which is running which is also a metal. So what will happen to the balancing of that bale roller? Because otherwise, with these winders, there is a big problem. It will destabilize and the winding will not be proper. So what you have taken care of, a flat, little sponginess of paper tube is not there in metal.
Yes, sir. For that, in our presentation, you must have seen the features that we provide. Sir, we do internal knurling to that exact location where the tube will have a fitment on spindle, and that knurling itself provides a better fitment, a stability, and there will not be at all any slippage of bobbin from the spindle. And this feature that we are offering, the customers are already using with that features, and it is running in the plants without any problem.
That is knurling. I understand it will have a better grip on the bobbin chuck. It is not I'm talking about the front surface, top surface of the tube. Metal aluminum tube will come in contact with the metal surface of bale roller in the initial running, where this initial inertial speed is very high, and this the fraction of a time, second or minutes, the contact with the bale roller will damage the winder settings. So what precaution you have taken for that?
Sir, I understand your question, but I think Mr. Prashant Gandhi or Bhagwat Patel can reply you in a better way. Over to you, Bhagwat.
Yeah. Hemant bhai, myself Bhagwat, you have a valid question. Maybe I have noted down your mobile number also, and we need to understand more regarding these aspects, because currently wherever these tubes are running, that question does not arise. But now you got a very good input for us also. So maybe I will connect to you at your convenient time, and we'll discuss further on these aspects, and we'll clarify how your bale roller damages can be prevented. Sure, sir.
I have worked on this subject.
Prashant bhai, would you like to say something?
Hello. I have worked on metal tubes 25 years back with the polypropylene line and polyester line, but we were not successful even with bakelite or anything. Now you have come out with this. We can discuss it out further and refresh the things, and we can work out for our Indian customers and all other customers.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you for input. I will come back to you, sir. Prashant bhai, do you have any further to say?
No, Bhagwat. It's a really very vital question that Hemant sir has asked, and we have to work with him closely to see that such damage is taken care of while usage of aluminum tubes. I think it's a wonderful input, and let us work on it together with him, sir. Yeah.
Bhai, there is one last
Yes.
question by Abhishek Kohli. How about heating? How much heat temperature can it take so that the tube is not stuck with the winder, as it happens with paper tube after 4 to 5 times?
Yes, Abhishek ji, your question again, it is a nice question, but I would request Prashant ji and Bhagwat bhai to answer this question, please.
I have not understood the question. Maybe Prashant, can you reply?
Bhagwat, I would express as I have understood. He says that while winding, there is a rise in the temperature of the bobbin, and in case of paper tube, they find it difficult after 4th or 5th cycle of the paper tube. I would like to say that Bhagwat will answer And we have studied this question in detail by going to the nearby PP multifilament yarn plant. We have measured the temperature of the tube, that is the bobbin, while winding different varieties of yarn, and we have observed that the temperature of the tube is going up to 105 degree Fahrenheit, and people who work with this, when they have a very high denier, that is denier of about 3500 or 4000, wherein the winding gets completed within about 12 to 15 minutes, the temperature rise is taken care of by wearing the gloves by the people. They insert their hand from inside and lift the bobbin. I would suggest, Bhagwat, you can also further add to this information. Thank you.
Yes, Prashant, Abhishek, thank you very much for raising this issue. Incidentally, we have a detailed study with the temperature, because as we know, when this yarn is being wound, it is a heated yarn, and then so definitely temperature is increasing. But as you know, that aluminum is having high melting point compared to paper tubes, because aluminum melts at around 618 degrees centigrade. So here the temperature rises by winding this multifilament yarn is not that much high, so that it get melted. So this is one of the advantage where aluminum tube never going to be melted by heating up this due to the multifilament yarn. Only thing is that we have to take care about the handling of the multifilament tube also, because after completing the yarn winding, person has to remove this tube from the winder and has to store. So that during that transit, he should not get the burns out of that. So we have taken those trials also, and it is comfortable for them if they wear, as Prashant indicated, that if they wear the gloves and handle these tubes, then there is no issue. I think, Abhishek, we have answered your question, but still, if you want to have further any question, then Ayush, can you unmute Abhishek?
Yeah, sir. 1 minute. I'll do it. Sir, I've done it.
Abhishek, I think we have allowed you to unmute your mic, and you can speak if you have further question on this subject.
Abhishek ji has answered in Q&A tab that Bhagwat ji, you can call him personally and can discuss on this issue. Abhishek ji, thank you. And yes, we have your contact details, and I'll share the same to Bhagwat ji, and he will call you personally. Because he is not using mic at the moment, so he just typed this response.
And
Okay,
there's one
what
last
is the
question.
maximum weight?
Yeah.
What is the maximum weight in kgs per DOF? At the moment, we have seen in industries that the DOF size is around 5.5 to 6 kgs maximum they produce. But our tube are capable to take even more load, but it goes again with the fitment of machine and the machine winder load. But yeah, we have seen in industry, and the DOF size are somewhere going to go 5.5 to 6 kg. So if we remove the tube weight, it will be somewhere around 5 kg of yarn winded on the tube. I can also see there is a question from Vikasji. Yes, Vikasji, we will be sharing the complete technical specification and the PPT to all the attendees attending today.
Bhaikji, I guess there are no more questions.
Yes, so we conclude with this presentation today, and thank you all the team members, all the attendees, business associates, and the audience present today for this webinar. We are really glad to have this interaction done today, taking so much of even knowledge from the questions that we have received from the customers. And we thank you, and on behalf of entire Siddhi Group, once again, I thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you all and bye bye.
Okay. Bye bye.
Thank you.